Hello everyone, and welcome to Mecaparts. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own categories using Mecaparts. First, log into Mecaparts through your Shopify account. Then, in the left sidebar, click on the Categories button. Right here, you can choose the type of vehicle you want to create a category for: passenger cars, motorcycles, or any other type. Next, click Create Category at the top right of your screen. The setup is pretty straightforward. Start by entering your category name. Then, select a location. You can leave it as is if you're creating a main category. After that, simply choose the TecDoc categories you'd like to include. If you want to create a subcategory, simply assign it to an existing category in the location field, just like this. And just like that, your categories are successfully added. You can add a picture or edit your categories by clicking the three dots on the right, then selecting Edit. From there, you can upload an image for your category and assign a sub-collection, so it's displayed that way on your website. The next thing you want to do to give your store visitors a better experience is head to the online store section, choose Themes, and click Customize. From there, you can showcase your categories on your homepage by adding them to the Featured Collection section. And here's the final result. Your categories are now displayed on your homepage, offering a better browsing experience for your customers. That's it. Hope this helped. See you next time.